and we're gonna say product, and we're gonna say created it like this. I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna back here, and if I reload a page on the services here, yes, as you can see, we're gonna get all information. We have the manual, we have the price, we have, this is the most important field, which is the description, and here we have the timestamp. Very simple and very easy. And this is the first way. If you want to display, for example, your products, your different information from your database, you have to use the query builder. Otherwise, we are going to use the Laravel Eloquent, and here we are going to comment all this. And the most popular or the most used method, and the most easy also, you have to call your model, and the model is product like this. Products like this. If you want to use your model, you need to call your model here. As you can see, we have the model here, product.php, and here we are going to say, we're gonna create also another instance. We're gonna call it also product, and here we're gonna say product equal to product, which is our model, like this, and you're gonna put a double column. You're gonna say get, if you want, for example, to get all you have in your database. And here I'm gonna set my semicolon. So let us first of all comment this, and if I back, you should see I'm gonna get a certain error. The error will say the products. Let us see what we have, and define variable products. And because we do not have a reference, so let us use the model, and let us reload the page. Let us wait for a couple of seconds. Yes, you should see we are going to get the same thing. This is the second way. If you want to use, for example, model in order to view different information you have, for example, in your database, you can also say, for example, all. You can say all, and let us back and reload a page, and you're gonna get the same thing. And you can say like this, and we are going to say a lot of things, for example, with this. And if you say, for example, we are going to say, for example, order by, and you're going to say, for example, order by, here I can say, for example, or what is this, and here you can say, for example, order by, and here you can say order by product name, for example, and here I'm gonna say, for example, as in if I go back, for example, if I reload the page, as you can see, order as and here we're gonna say get, here we're gonna say get, for example, here, as you can see, and it is read by accent. And if I say, for example, DSC, and I'm gonna get first for the strawberry here, as you can see, yes, I have strawberry like this. And I can also paginate, for example, and I can say, for example, here paginate, and I'm gonna say, for example, here one. If I want to have only one field on each page, I'm gonna say paginate like this. And if I back, I'm gonna get the same thing, but I need to extend from the, yes, as you can see, I have only one, but I need to have a pagination here. And if I want to import this, I'm going to come to the services page here. After the for each loop, I'm gonna say like this, and I'm gonna take my products. You have to take this product here, and I'm gonna say links like this. I'm gonna call the links function like this, and I'm gonna save. And if I back here, if I reload a page, you should see I'm gonna get this pagination. You can click on 1, you can click on 2. You will see that you are going to get the same thing. And you can also use the random class. I can say, for example, here products ordered by paginate, and I can say, for example, I can use, for example, the random. I'm going to say, for example, in random order, in random order like this. In random order, you're gonna paginate, and if I back here and if I reload a page, and they should see I'm gonna get the same thing but in random. Let us see first of all, this is for the second. If I click on 1, yes, I'm gonna get only mango, and if I click, you're gonna see it can change. So let us click again, we're gonna get strawberry. Let us click again, yes, strawberry. And it is difficult because we have only 2 products, and as you can see, you can use all these properties here by using this model. You can also use this by using the query builder, and I think that it is very simple and very easy in order to view different information that you have saved in your database. Goodbye.